You could take all the ibuprofen in the world to stop joint pain and weak legs, but if you're deficient in these two natural things, the pain and weakness will never truly go away. I've seen this firsthand with my own mother. She used to struggle to get out of bed in the morning, wince with every step on the stairs, and that beautiful smile she always had would fade because of the constant pain. It broke my heart watching her lose her independence. Ibuprofen is just a temporary mask. It hides the pain for a few hours, but it doesn't fix the root cause. As soon as it wears off, the pain comes rushing back, often even worse. And the long-term cost? Stomach ulcers, kidney strain, higher risk of heart issues, liver damage, and ironically, weaker bones, the exact opposite of what we need. I promise you this, when you add these two natural things consistently, joint pain can ease up dramatically, and you may not need those pain pills at all. Thousands of seniors I've heard from have regained their freedom just by making this change. If you haven't already, subscribe now and drop a comment telling me where you're watching from. I genuinely read and reply to every single one. Number 1. Omega-3, especially the EPA and DHA from fish or seeds. Joint pain in seniors isn't just discomfort, it steals your freedom. One of my subscribers shared how she couldn't play in the park with her grandchildren because her knees would swell and ache terribly. Morning stiffness, sharp shooting pains on stairs, social isolation, constant fear of falling, and one bad fall can change everything forever. This is where omega-3 becomes a true game changer. It reduces inflammation at the root, deep inside your cells, not just masking pain like pills do. It protects cartilage, lubricates joints from within, reduces swelling and stiffness. After 8 to 12 weeks of consistent intake, many seniors report being able to cut down or even stop pain medication completely. For bones and strong legs, it's incredible too. Better calcium absorption, stronger muscles, improved balance and coordination, lower fall risk. Studies show up to 40% less pain and noticeably stronger legs in those getting enough omega-3. What to eat? Start your day with a palm-sized piece of grilled salmon. That alone gives you nearly 2 grams of omega-3. Sardines, mackerel, tuna are excellent and affordable options. Plant-based, chia seeds, walnuts, flax seeds, easy to add to oatmeal or yogurt. These foods are not only powerful, they're delicious and completely natural. But here's the truth. Omega-3 alone isn't always enough. Without the second natural powerhouse, pain can still linger. Number 2. Turmeric, especially the curcumin part, taken with black pepper. Curcumin attacks inflammation through different pathways that omega-3 doesn't cover, blocking enzymes like COX2 that fuel joint destruction. Together, they hit inflammation from every angle, which is why this combination is so effective. It eases that heavy, concrete-like stiffness in your legs, reduces swelling in knees, hips, and ankles, supports new bone formation, and speeds up muscle recovery so you can stay active without soreness holding you back. One major study found curcumin worked just as well as ibuprofen for knee pain, but without any harmful side effects. People reported better mobility in just weeks, and the relief actually improved over time. How to use it? At night, make golden milk, warm milk with a teaspoon of turmeric, a pinch of black pepper. It boosts absorption by 2,000%, cinnamon, and a touch of honey. For lunch, turmeric-spiced lentil soup. For dinner, turmeric-rubbed chicken or roasted veggies. Always pair with healthy fat and black pepper for maximum benefit. Now listen closely. Even if you eat omega-3 and turmeric every single day, but keep consuming these 3 inflammation-triggering things, the pain and weakness won't fully go away. You have to stop these 3 immediately. 1. Refined sugar and hidden sugars. It stiffens cartilage, triggers massive inflammation, and literally flushes calcium out of your body through urine. Read labels carefully. Avoid anything with more than 5 grams of added sugar. Use fresh berries, cinnamon, or a little raw honey instead. 2. Processed vegetable oils, like soybean, corn, canola, and anything with trans fats. They throw your omega-6 to omega-3 ratio way off, fueling chronic joint inflammation. Switch completely to extra virgin olive oil, coconut oil, or ghee. Avoid packaged snacks, fried foods, and margarine. 3. Too much salt and processed meats, bacon, sausages, deli meats. Excess sodium causes fluid retention that presses on joints, worsening pain and swelling. It also pulls calcium from your bones. Cook with fresh herbs, garlic, rosemary. No need for extra salt. Choose fresh proteins like grilled fish or chicken. I know change can feel hard at first, but the seniors who've made these shifts tell me their lives transformed. They're walking pain-free again, playing with grandkids, climbing stairs with ease, and smiling like they used to. That's why I poured my heart into creating the Nature's Joint Bone Rebuild recipe book just for you. Over 75 simple, delicious recipes loaded with omega-3, turmeric, calcium, magnesium, and everything your joints and bones truly need. The link is in the description and pinned comment. Grab it now and start your healing journey today. Now it's your turn. Do you struggle with joint pain or weak legs? Which omega-3 or turmeric recipe are you excited to try first? And which of these 3 harmful things are you ready to let go of today? Please comment below. I read every single one and reply with all my heart. Tomorrow, I'm sharing a completely free, simple daily habit that stops joint inflammation faster than any supplement or medication, and it costs nothing. This goes out to my subscribers first. So subscribe right now, hit the bell notification. You won't want to miss it. See you tomorrow. Stay strong, stay natural, and keep moving with joy. Nature's Senior Cure.